Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Canva Pro to create high-converting YouTube thumbnails, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To enable Canva Pro, start by visiting the Canva website. Log into your existing account or create a new one if necessary. Navigate to the home page after logging in. Locate the pricing option on the top right corner of the page. Click on Pricing to explore the subscription options available. Find the Canva Pro plan and click on Get Started or Try Free for 30 days. If you're opting for a free trial, follow the prompts to set it up. You may need to enter your payment details, but remember, you won't be charged until the trial ends. After completing the process, you'll receive a confirmation email. Return to the Canva homepage to access your account. Click on Create a Design and search for YouTube thumbnail. Select a template that resonates with your content theme. Customize the template with your images, text, and graphics. Explore the left sidebar to discover the various tools and features at your disposal. Utilize elements like backgrounds, shapes, and icons to enhance your design. Adjust text styles and colors to make sure they're eye-catching and readable. When satisfied with your design, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose the preferred file format, usually PNG or JPG for thumbnails. Make sure to save your work and download the thumbnail to your device. Upload your newly created thumbnail to your YouTube video during the upload process. With Canva Pro, you can create stunning thumbnails that capture attention and drive clicks. Experiment with different designs to see what works best for your audience. Remember, a great thumbnail can significantly increase your video's visibility and engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.